Hello guys, welcome to the 13th session. Till now we have learned about the creating queries and mutation. In this session we will learn how to create the subscription in the GraphQL API. We will create the subscription that will fire an event when the new order is placed. For this, let's create a new class in the services, name event service. This service will contain the subject from which we will obtain the observable. For this, create a new model that represent the event data. Add a new property for order ID and set it in the constructor. In event services, create a new property that represent the I subject of event data model. On create subject, for this we need to import the system reactive package. And initialize this with the replace subject. Now we need to create an event that will be fired when the order is created. Create a public void create order event. We will get the event data model and provide this data into the subject, and create a new method that will provide observable from this subject. Write public iObservable, event data model. On create observable and return the subject as a observable. Now extract the interface for this class in the same file. We have event service. Open the order detail service. Inject the event service. In create a sync. After saving the changes, call the create order event and pass the order ID in event data model. From subscription, we cannot directly return the event data model. We need to create a type for this. Create a new class, event data type, inherit it from the object graph type of event data model. Set a name for this type. Add a field that represents the order ID. Now we have a type, model, service, and it fires while adding the data. Now we need to create the subscription. Create a folder for a subscription. Create a new class, pizza order subscription. Inherit it from the object graph type. create a private field for the event service, create a constructor, inject event service, set a name for a type, using add field method, add a event stream field type, set a name for the subscription, order created. In a type property, specify the type that will be written by the subscription, that is event data type. In resolver, specify the field resolver. That will convert the source into the event data model. In a subscriber, specify the event stream resolver. In which we need to call the on create observable of event service. Now we have created subscription. Open the schema. In the subscription property, obtain the service from the pizza order subscription. Open the configure service extension. In a custom service, add the event service. In a GraphQL type, add the event data type. As well as the pizza order subscription. Save all the file, run the project. Open docs. Here you can see that along with the queries and mutation, now it contains the subscription. Write subscription, use order created, and obtain the order ID. Execute this. Here it shows the listening in the bottom. So it will wait for the new data. Open the create order query tab, execute it. Data has been added. Open the subscription tab. Here we got the order ID in a response. It will still listen for the new item. Let's see what we have learned in this session. Here are model and type classes. We are just interested to return the order ID. This is a service which contains the replace subject of a model. When event fire, it will provide a new data in an observer and create a method using which we will obtain the observer from the subject. Here is a subscription. Using the add field, we have added the subscription. Within that, we have specified name, its return type, resolver, and subscribe delegate. If you have any doubt, then feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.